Hello everyone, it's me Akhil here, and in this video we are going to look a little bit deeper into the equations of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is our standard equation for linear equations in two variable. So the contents in this video will be equations of the form ax plus by is equal to 0, general equation of straight line, geometrical representation of linear equations in two variable, example with a geometrical interpretation. So first of all, it just have a preview to the equations of the form ax plus by is plus c equal to 0. The general equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is an equation of a linear equation in two variable where a and b are not equal to 0 and a, b and c are real numbers. An equation of the form ax plus c equal to 0 can also be expressed as a system of linear equation in two variable where ax plus 0y plus c is equal to 0, which this content is already discussed in our previous videos. Now, general equation of a straight line. The general equation of a straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, which can also be written as y is equal to mx plus b. It is actually the slope intersection form of a general equation of a straight line. The graph of linear equation in two variable is always a straight line that we will look into further. Now let's look at the example of a linear equation in two variable and its graphical representation. Consider the equation 6x plus 2y equal to 10. Now for each x value there will be y. Suppose this x and y are plotted in a graph, we will get a picture like this. From the graph itself, it is clear that a linear equation in two variable, when it is plotted in a graph, it gives a straight line which walk into infinity, and all the points in the line are the solution of the equation. These contents are already discussed before also, but to get into a clear view, that is to connect between the straight line and the equation of two variables, we are discussing it here also. Now we will deal with a question of this graphical interpretation. The question is that you know that a force applied on a body is directly proportional to the acceleration produced in the body. Write equation to express the situation and plot the graph of the equation. Here the variables included are force and acceleration, and we already know and from our scientific study that how this force and acceleration are connected. That is, force is equal to some mass into acceleration, and here the mass can be represented with k units. Now it is a linear equation in two variable. Suppose we want to plot that, then we will solve it in this manner. Y is equal to 3x. Let the mass of the body be 3 units. It's just an assumption, we can assume anything. For our convenience now we are taking it as 3 units. Now the equation will turn to y is equal to 3x. Now using algebraic method, for each x value we will get a value for y. And if we plot in a straight line in the graph, we will get a straight line which passes through the origin, and this is the graph. From the graph we can see that when a force applied is 3 unit, the acceleration produced is 6 unit. Also 0 0 lies on the graph, which means that acceleration is 0 when the force applied is 0. This is actually a scientific conclusion that we can get from here. Also we can take a note that any graph of the form y is equal to kx, for k is any constant, then that graph will pass through the origin. Thank you.